energy गुर्दू ने यार कच्चा चल रहा है तो कच्ची मुझे stop doing it. Okay, you're not supposed to keep this always in your heart. I'm talking to you here. For what you're getting angry now? For what you're getting angry, Roshit? Your energy is going down. Then why are you screaming? Don't scream. Say okay, Amma. Say okay, Amma. You don't scream it. Say okay, Amma. Say okay. God. You're getting tired of screaming at me. Hello. I'm talking to you here. Look at me. Excuse me, ma'am. Madam. I'm talking to you still. Stop using this. This is not yours anymore. Okay? For what you're getting angry at me? I will use it. Not for you anymore. What? Am I joking? You're laughing at me. Mama will use. It's not yours. What? Mama will use.
You don't know how to